You know, when we build a house or put a structure on a piece of land, we change it forever. And doing that consciously is really important. Ask yourself this question when you walk onto a bit of land. How does it feel? We need to look at it, we need to take it in, we need to observe its past, knowing what we're going to plan for the future. Land whispering is about honouring the land. It's about taking time to breathe.